Hello everyone. Actually, this is a pretty nice math question. How do we find the value of a, b, c? Solution. We have 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equal to 148. The first thing we are going to do is to multiply and divide left hand side by 2 raised to a. So that gives 2 raised to a into this 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c, all divided by 2 raised to a. This is equal to 148. Let's continue. So we have 2 raised to a into this whole guy could be written as 2 raised to a divided by 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to b divided by 2 raised to a plus 2 raised to c divided by 2 raised to a equal to 148. So we have 2 raised to a into 2 raised to a cancel 2 raised to a. We have 1 plus. Now recall that a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Using this property on this, we have 2 raised to b minus a plus. Using the same property on this guy, we have 2 raised to c minus a equal to 148. Let's proceed further. So we have 2 raised to a into 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a equal to. Now let us focus on this 148. 148 could be written as 4 times 37. You will see that no matter the value of a, this guy is always an even number. This is always an odd number. In as much a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, we always have an odd number. 4 is obviously an even number. 37 is an odd number. So by compare, so we have to compare the even and the odd number. Comparing the even number first, that will be 2 raised to a equal to 4. So 2 raised to a is equal to 4 could be written as 2 square. Since we have the same base, a is equals to 2. This is the value of a. Now let us compare the other one. So let us compare the odd part. So that gives 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a equal to 37. If we add minus 1 to both sides, we have 1 minus 1 plus 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a equal to 37 minus 1. 1 minus 1, that goes. We have 2 raised to b minus a plus 2 raised to c minus a equal to 37 minus 1, that is 36. Let's proceed further. But a is equals to 2. This answer that we have here. So let us plug it here. So we have 2 raised to b minus 2 plus 2 raised to c minus 2 equal to 36. Let's proceed further. 2 raised to b minus 2 could be written as 2 raised to b times 2 raised to negative 2 plus, we can also write this as 2 raised to c times 2 raised to negative 2 equal to 36. We can divide both sides by 2 raised to minus 2. So doing that, we have 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c equal to 36 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Let's proceed further. So we have 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c equal to 36. Suppose we want 2 raised to minus 2 to be at the numerator, it becomes times 2 square, which equal to 36 times 4. So we have 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c equal to 36 times 4, that is 144. Let's proceed further. 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c is equal to 144, could be written as 16 times 9. Just take note of this line. As we did earlier, we are going to multiply and divide left hand side by 2 raised to b. So multiply and divide left hand side by 2 raised to b. So we have 2 raised to b into 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c divided by 2 raised to b equal to 16 times 9. Let's proceed further. 2 raised to b, this whole guy could be written as 2 raised to b divided by 2 raised to b plus 2 raised to c divided by 2 raised to b equal to 16 times 9. Let's proceed further. So we have 2 raised to b into, clearly 2 raised to b cancels 2 raised to b. We have 1 plus 2 raised to c divided by 2 raised to b equal to 16 times 9. This means that 2 raised to b into 1 plus, suppose we want this b to come up, that is using this property. Let's say we have a raised to m divided by a raised to n. This is equal to a raised to m minus n. So using this property on this, we have 2 raised to c minus b equal to 16 times 9. You will see that for b greater than 0, this guy is always an even number. Why this is always an odd number? It will always produce an odd number. 16 is even, that's an even number. 9 is an odd number. So by comparing, we have 2 raised to b equal to 16. 2 raised to b is equal to 16 could be written as 2 to the power of 4. And since the base is the same, this means that b is equal to 4. This is the value of b. Now let us compare the other part, the odd part. So that will be 1 plus 2 raised to c minus b equal to what? Equal to 9. But we already know the value of b. B is equals to 4. B is equals to 4. So let us plug it here. So we have 1 plus 2 raised to c minus 4 equal to 9. This means that 2 raised to c minus 4 is equal to, when 1 comes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. So we have 9 minus 1, which is 8. This means that 2 raised to c minus 4 is equal to It could be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. So we have 2 raised to power 3. You will notice that the base here is, so we have c minus 4 equal to 3. So c is 3 plus 4. Our the value of c is